Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and we're moving right along with our Christmas spectacular. And right now, we're gonna make a Naught Elf Cocktail. You know those little guys? Bust this out the second old Santa Claus gets in his sleigh and flies away. So, I don't know, let's start making this. First off, to start, 2 ounces of cranberry juice. This is cranberry raspberry juice, just to be specific. And then you want 1 ounce of a spiced rum. I'm using Captain Morgan to be precise. And again, once the Christmas Spectacular is over, don't worry. I'm on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 8 p.m. Central Standard Time. Now you want 1 ounce of orange liqueur, or triple sec is the specific one, but you can use whatever your favorite liqueur happens to be. And then you want 1 ounce of grapefruit juice. This might be the only hard to find ingredient. And you want 1 ounce of pomegranate liqueur. Again, I don't know the laws in every state about ordering liquor online, so this might be one you have to hunt for. And then you just want to give that a little stir. And then you want to add 1 ounce of Sprite or the lemon lime soda of your choice. Give this another little stir. And then just add the ice cubes. And that's it. The Naughty Elf. Done.